Hi everyone, let's start our first question in 3.1. Form the pair of linear equations in the following problems and find their solutions graphically. So for everything we have to draw the graph in this problem. So our first problem is 10 students of class 10 took part in a mathematics quiz. If the number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys, find the number of boys and girls who took part in the quiz. So in the class total strength is 10. So let the number of boys is equal to x. Let the number of boys is equal to x and let the number of girls is equal to y. So total strength of the class is 10. So we can write x plus y is equal to 10. This is our first equation. So if you look at the second condition, if the number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys, so you can write y is equal to x plus 4. So the number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys. So number of girls is equal to boys plus 4. This is our second equation. I hope you know the algebra well. We have studied it in the 6th standard only. Let us draw the tables. Please watch the introduction video. There I have explained the graph, how to draw the graphical method, how to do the problem with the graphical method. So for the first equation, take one table, and for the second equation, take another table. This is the first equation and this is for the second equation. So for the first equation, if I take x is equal to 3, you can take any number. If I take x is equal to 3, y will be 3 plus y is equal to 10. So y is equal to 10 minus 3, which is equal to 7. So if x is equal to 3, I got y is equal to 7. In the same, another one, x is equal to, if I take x is equal to 5, so 5 plus y is equal to 10, whereas y is equal to 10 minus 5, which is equal to 5. So if x is equal to 5, y is also equal to 5. So for the second equation, if I take x is equal to 0, anything you can take. Here I am taking x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 0 plus 4, y is equal to 4. If I take any other number like 2, y is equal to 2 plus 4, y is equal to 6. So when it is 0, this will be 4, and when it is 2, this will be 6. Okay, let us look at the graph once. So when it is 3 and it will be 7. When it is 5, it will be 5. So let's draw the graph. So let us mark all the points on the graph. 3, 7. 5, 5. First join these 2 points and then extend. Extend these 2 points on both sides. I'm just drawing a rough lines here. You use the scale. So y is equal to x plus 4. For the second line, 0, 4. 0, 4. If it is 0, here it will be 2, 6. 2, 6. So join these 2 points also and then extend the line. Now let us mark out the points. This one is 3, 7. This one is 5, 5. And this one is 2, 6. This one is 0, 4. So what is the meeting point here? The meeting point is 3, 7. So that's why x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 7. You can consider number of boys in the class. Therefore, number of boys in the class is equal to x is equal to 3. Number of girls in the class, where y is equal to 7. Let's look at the next problem. So our second problem is 5 pencils and 7 pens together cost 50, whereas 7 pencils and 5 pens together cost 46. Find the cost of the one pencil and that of one pen. Right. So let us consider, let the number of pencils be. Let the number of pencils is equal to x. The number of pens are equal to y. So this is the first condition from here to here. And this is the second condition here to here. 5 pencils and 7 pens. So 5x plus 7y is equal to 50, which is equation number 1. 7x, second condition, 7 pencils and 5 pens. So 7x plus 5y is equal to 46. So this is our second equation. Now let us draw the tables. For the first equation, one table, and for the second equation, another table. You have to draw two different tables. This is for the 1 and this is for the 2. X, y, here also x, y. Here I am just assuming for the first equation, when my x is equal to 3, 5 into 3 plus 7y is equal to 50. 5 3s are 15. 7y is equal to 50 minus 15. 7y is equal to 35. Where y is equal to 35 by 7, you get 5. X is equal to 3. When x is equal to 3, y will be 5. If I take my x value as 10, 5 into 10 plus 7y is equal to 50. 7y is equal to 50 minus 50. 5 tens are 50, right? So y is equal to 0 by 7, where y is equal to 0. So when x is equal to 10, y will be 0. Let's look at the second equation. I am taking my x as 8. When the second equation, substitute the x value in the place of 7x plus 5y is equal to 46. Whereas 5y is equal to 46 minus 7 8s are y is equal to minus 10 divided by 5. Y is equal to minus 2. When x is equal to 8, we got y as minus 2. When my x is equal to 3, 7 into 3 plus 5y is equal to 46. You can consider x value anything. You will get y value after substituting the x value. 5y is equal to 46 minus 7 3 is 21. So y is equal to 35 divided by 5, where y is equal to 7. Sorry, 25. 25 divided by 5, which is equal to 5. So when x is equal to 3, y will be 5 in the second equation. Let us draw the graph. Just mark the xy values on the graph. 3, 5. When x is equal to 3, y will be 5. So here it would be. 3 comma 5 and 10 comma 0. X is 10 and y value is 0. Here it will be. Next. So first let us join these two lines. Just extend. Extend both the sides. Now here 8 comma minus 2. In the second equation 8 comma minus 2. It would be here. And 3 comma 5. 3 comma 5. We got the same. So just drawing roughly. So this is our meeting point 3 comma 5, which is 10 comma 0, and this is 8 comma minus 2. So this is our meeting point. So x value is equal to 3, y value is equal to 5. So we have considered the x value as pencils and y value as pens. Therefore, the number of pencils x is equal to 3 and the number of pens y is equal to 5. Let's look at the next problem. So the second question is, on comparing the ratios a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2, find out whether the lines representing the following pairs of linear equations intersect at a point, are parallel or coincident. So if you look at the first question, this is our first equation, 5x minus 4y plus 8 equal to 0. This is our second equation, 7x plus 6y minus 9 is equal to 0. So let us check a1 by a2. a1 by a2 is equal to 5 by 7. We can't cancel this. Then b1 by b2 is equal to minus 4 by 6. So 2 2s are and 2 3s are minus 2 by 3. So here only you can decide a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. So these are intersecting lines. These are intersecting lines. Just look at the introduction video, you will get to know what is intersecting lines, what is parallel and what is coincident. Coincident line is nothing but in the introduction video I have given, points are lie on same line. That is called coincident. Next one, 9x plus 3y plus 12 is equal to first equation. 18x plus 6y plus 24 is equal to 0. This is our second equation. Now, a1 by a2 is equal to 9 by 18, which is equal to 1 by 2. b1 by b2 is equal to 3 by 6. This is also equal to 1 by 2. c1 by c2 is equal to 12 by 24. You can cancel in 12 table, 12 ones are, 12 twos are directly 1 by 2. Now, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. So, these lines are coincident lines. These are coincident. Lying on the same plane, same line. Next, third equation is, this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Now, a1 by a2 is equal to 6 by 2. 2 ones are, 2 ones are, 2 threes are equal to 3. b1 by b2 is equal to minus 3 divided by minus 1. Minus minus got cancelled, 3. C1 by C2 is equal to 10 by 9. Cancellation is not possible in this problem. So A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 but not equal to C1 by C2. So you can tell this is a parallel lines. These are parallel lines. Let's look at the next problem. On comparing the ratios A1 by A2, B1 by B2 and C1 by C2, find out whether the following pair of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent. So if these are intersecting, these will be consistent. If non-intersecting, inconsistent you can say. So let us check. A1 by A2 is equal to 3 by 2. B1 by B2 is equal to 2 by minus 3. Here only you can say A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. So these lines are intersecting. So it has one solution. That's why these are consistent. Equations are consistent. Therefore, equations are consistent. Here you can also write intersecting. Intersecting. Second question. A1 by A2 is equal to 2 by 4. So 1 by 2. B1 by B2 is equal to minus 3 by 6. This is also equal to 1 by 2. C1 by C2 is equal to minus 8 divided by minus 9. So A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2, which is not equal to C1 by C2. So the equations are inconsistent because A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2. So equations are inconsistent. Next, here A1 by A2 is equal to 3 by 2 divided by 9, which is equal to 29 by 1, right? Nothing but you can write this as 3 by 2 into 1 by 9. 3 ones are 3 threes are. So it is 1 by 6. B1 by B2 is equal to 5 by 3 whole divided by minus 10. 5 by 3 into reciprocal. If it goes to numerator, it will be reciprocal. Minus 10 by 1. Sorry, 1 by 10. 1 by minus 10. 5 ones are 5 twos are. This is minus 1 by 6. So it is plus 1 by 6. It is minus 1 by 6. So A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. These lines are intersecting. That's why equations are consistent because it has one solution. Equations are consistent. Let's go to next problem. The next problem is 5x minus 3y is equal to 11. This is our equation 1. Minus 10x plus 6y is equal to minus 22. This is equation number 2. Let's check A1 by A2. A1 by A2 is equal to 5 by minus 10. 5 ones are 5 twos are, which is equal to minus 1 by 2. Next one. B1 by B2 is equal to minus 3 by 6, which is equal to minus 1 by 2 again. 3 ones are 3 twos are. Now, C1 by C2 is equal to minus 11 by 22, which is equal to 11 ones are 11 twos are minus 1 by 2 same. So, A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. It has some solution, infinitely many solution. Therefore, the equations are consistent. Equations are consistent. Lying on the same line, that's why the equations are consistent. You can also say this as coincident lines. Next one, a1 by a2 is equal to 4 by 3, write it little above, 4 by 3 divided by 2. 2 by 1 you can write. So if you take this 2 by 1 to numerator, it will be 4 by 3 into 1 by 2, reciprocal. 2 ones are 2 twos are, which is equal to 2 by 3. b1 by b2 is equal to 2 by 3 again. Next, c1 by c2 is equal to minus 8 divided by minus 12. Minus minus got cancelled. 4 twos are and 4 threes are. You can write this as 2 by 3. a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. So the lines are coincident. Equations are consistent. Equations are consistent. What is our next problem?